Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. That is 1/10 of a pound of nitrogen, along with some other goodies in it. And these are my little uniformity test plots that we're doing. Of course, I'll do a follow-up video on that really soon about which one I think produced the best uniformity. Has not been mowed yet at all. Today I'm going to do something to it, and I already know what's going to happen. Been doing it for years and years and years, but I wanted to document it on YouTube so you guys could see. I've got a very low dose of nitrogen going on brand new baby ryegrass, bluegrass, GCI Turf Type Tall Fescue. And typically you wouldn't do this, and the reason for it is to push it into maturity, push it to grow so I can cut it so the blades can thicken up, widen up, it can fill in, start becoming thicker and denser. Baby turf, baby food. Like I said, it's only 1/10 of a pound of N. A lot of times people are just absolutely scared to death to touch baby grass. They're like, oh, you can't walk on it, you can't do this to it, you can't do that to it. Well, I'm going to do a foliar liquid application of nitrogen with some other goodies in it to push it, to get it going, and then we'll follow up. You'll need to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the follow-up to it, so I can show you the results. Let's go and pull that off of the let's go and take the, I can't remember what it's called. We'll take it off the bluegrass. Here we go. When I say baby blues, I mean baby blues. They're like that tall. It's the ryegrass. I do have the O2YS natural adjuvant in the tank because I'm not watering this in. Talking about water, there's a very important stipulation to this that I've always paid attention to when I do this, and that is the ground must be hydrated. The plant must be hydrated, meaning it has to have water in the plant along with a supply of water to hold on to. Come out yesterday afternoon, watered this really well. Come out again this morning, watered it very well. Checked it just a minute ago off camera with the finger that God gave me to check the moisture. It's good and moist, so I'm safe to proceed. Now, am I telling you to do this? Absolutely not. You put on your yard what you want to put on your yard. You manage your turf the way you want to manage your turf. I'm just sharing an experience of mine I don't think I've ever shared before on my channel, but I've been doing this for a long time, meaning I've been treating baby turf with light fertilizer applications through a foliar feeding, and I've had exceptional results doing it. Now let's go over here. Look at this right here. Holy cow. Look at that. This is the where I just kind of got rid of what I had in the spreader, and it's on top of an old burn pile, and it came in absolutely phenomenally. I cannot get over how this came in. Wow. Let's spray half of it. Let's leave the right side alone. We won't touch it. And let's see the line right in the middle. We'll spray from there over. Woohoo! All right, I can't wait to see what happens right here. And I've got just a little bit left, so let's just pick a random spot and spray an area. All right, so that's all out, empty. Again, 1/10 of a pound, brand new turf. Now this isn't brand new turf. Well, actually it is. I've mowed it once, but it's not brand new baby turf that has never been mowed before, like over there in our little, I don't know, char pit. I don't know what you want to call that, whatever. But be sure and subscribe so you can check the update and see exactly what happens, because I know you're dying to know. Check you later.